So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that for what values of a the equations like this equations and this equations have a common root. So we have two equations and we have to find out what are the different values of a for which these two equations have a common root. So let's write these two equations. So one equation is this plus a times x plus 8991 is equal to 0. And second equation is 8991 x square plus a times x plus 1998 is equal to 0. So common root means that root satisfy this equation also and this equation also. So let alpha be the common root. So let's say alpha is our common root. So that satisfy this equations also and this equation also. So let's put uh, instead of x, if we put alpha, then this equation will become like this. And below equation will become like this. So let's say this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2, and if you subtract 1 and 2, so this will become like, so you can see that this term will cancel, so it will become like this plus 8991 minus 1998 is equal to 0. So from here you can see that this term is minus 6993 alpha square plus 6993 is equal to 0. So from here you can see that alpha square is equal to 1. So alpha is plus minus 1. So the common root values are either plus 1 or minus 1. So we have to find the a values. What are the different values of a? So now we have, let's look at this equation now. So we have 1998 alpha square plus alpha times a plus 8991 is equal to 0. Now we know the alpha values like 1 and minus 1. So if you put alpha is equal to 1, this equation will become like this. So from here you can see the a value is coming like minus 10 8 minus 10 989. You solve, so it will become like 10,989. And if you put alpha is equal to minus 1, so if you put alpha is equal to minus 1, then this equation will come like this, minus a plus 8991 is equal to 0. So from here you can see that a value is come like 10,989. So these are two different possible values of a. For these two equations have a common root. So in this way we can solve this.